A warm welcome again to Nuggets of Money Intelligence, and thank you as always for clicking the play button when this channel comes up in your feed. Today I'll be talking about starting your investment journey. Many of you might not have had any investment, and for those of you who already have some investment or are contemplating having further broadening your investment base, then this video is for you. Firstly, if you already have any investment, well done to you. But I also want to recommend that you put a little aside, that offers are on, the Wema Bank rights issue is in the market. If you have investment in other asset classes with as little as, and you don't have any shares of Wema Bank, here is an opportunity for you. They still have a couple of more days for people, even though that will mean buying in the secondary market, but it is still good to come late to the party than not be at the party at all. So what I'm saying is that you can invest, you can speak to your stockbroker or speak to your bank and get a piece of the action of Wema Bank shares. You might not, especially if you don't own their shares at all. Their rights issue is still on. It's not going to be on forever, just a few more days left. So you can still take advantage of this with as little as 10,000 naira. That is not going to take anything away from you. It's money which you can afford to lose. So you're not staking, you're not betting the ranch. You can just include this in your list of asset as a liquid asset. Also, if you don't have any investment at all, if you have been piling all your money, you've been stashing your money away in savings, very good, well done. But also you can take advantage of the rights issue by becoming just taking a tiny bit, by subscribing to Wema Bank right issue. Speak again to your stockbroker, speak to your bank that you want to buy, you want to own some pieces of, some unit of Wema Bank. So in that way, you're starting and building your investment portfolio. Don't forget, starting your investment journey doesn't have to be huge. All you need is 5,000 naira, and a couple of units of Wema Bank shares can become yours. That is affordable. That is not a huge risk. So don't stand aloof. Don't fold your hands while others, are coming to the party. Speak to your stockbroker, or if you don't have any, speak to your bank by asking them, tell them you want the Wema Bank shares that are in the market. They are doing their rights issue, so just grab some. 5,000 naira is all you need. If you can afford more, fine. But with 5,000 naira, you can own a piece of the action. With just 5,000 naira, you can become a minor, a tiny, look at that. With just 5,000 naira, you can say, I'm a shareholder. I have shares in Wema Bank, and this is how you start your investment journey. Like I said, don't wait until you have 50,000 naira. Don't wait until you have 25,000 naira. Don't wait until you have 10,000 naira. If you have those amounts to invest, fine. But starting your investment journey with just 5,000 naira is not going to hurt you. It's not going to hurt your pocket. Even if it's going to hurt you, it's a good thing to do. Make sure before the right issue of Wema Bank shares, before the offer closes later this month, make sure you get in there. Come late to the party. Speak to your bank today. put down 5,000, ask them to get you a couple of units, whatever 5,000 naira can buy. Make sure you become a tiny shareholder of Wema Bank. Until I see you again, let me know in the comment section if you're following this advice and you've acquired any. If you have any more questions, just speak to your bank or speak to your stockbroker. But one thing you mustn't do is don't let the offer end without partaking of it. I'll see you very soon.